back to another video. Today we will do yummy or yucky challenge. So yummy or yucky challenge, the gathering challenge. So we're doing it in Steam Order Game Part 2. So after we start, and just put the ball in the throw it. Ah! So what we get? Oh! No, Alfie,
I got that off.
No, you got the green one.
No, kill it, boy, you're liar.
No!
I landed there, killer.
I look.
Landed there.
No, here.
Landed in the room.
I'll let you.
Okay.
Alright, so we put a little compliment. Sausage, cheese, bubblegum,
Please.
try it.
Try your sauce.
You get bubblegum. Alright, nice and nice.
I no bubble.
I'm joined, I forgot to mention, I'm joined by my friends, Lee and Alfie, at their house. Part 2. Thanks.
What's that like?
Right, okay, right there, black. And then you just have to have, after having a chili one. Ooh. Where's the water? Where's the water? Where's the water?
I got bubble.
Not me. I have a system.
Land in the middle.
No.
No, land in the middle.
No.
You land in the middle.
Okay. You're wild. For the fans. They'll subscribe.
Ah!
Oh. You don't know that.
Oh, pick me up.
No, just eat it. Eat it. Just eat it.
Hi, Jan.
Is it? Yeah. Wow, there's something to it.
I'm chewing at that one.
Ready? Oh my.
There's the one.
I will go big as soy milk. I got cool.
I got cool.
Ready?
Oh.
Oh. That was disgusting. Eat it. Eat it. You got cooler. Alright, you got cooler. Alf, it's your turn.
Alright.
Again, this is Steam Order. I have to eat it this time.
I will eat it.
You can't be a little push.
Wait. I can spin
Come
it.
on, just eat it.
I spin it.
No, no touch me. Just put my teeth on it. Come on, eat it. No, we'll stop that now, no. No. Please put down the one more. And you got cooler.
Oh, God.
guys. Alright, we're back here, guys. We'll be right back. No problem. Alright, we're back here, guys. Right, Alfie, it's your turn. Look at Alfie. No. That's not cool. That's not cool. That's not cool. That's not cool. Guys, I forgot to mention, see part 1, this is part 2. This is part 2, and part 1, this is actually in the same day, but you see it. But the thing is, there's no internet, but I'm actually recording on my camera. I'll be right back. So guys, we're back down there. Are you still doing it, Alfred? Yep. Alright, Whoa. What is that? Ah! You could have rivaled me. Alright. No. Alright. No, come on. No. You have to sit down. They need to see your reaction. Come on. Okay. I sit down too. Alright, it's my turn. I think I can garbage. Oh! I hope that there's blue cheese. Blue cheese. I hope it is. Is it blue cheese? No. Oh! Help me, it's your turn. Oh, I'll pick up blue cheese. I love it, blue cheese. Come on. Oh, blue cheese, definitely. Oh, definitely blue cheese. I'll go with Sabi. Hi, Wasabi. Well, Wasabi. You want to rob with Wasabi there? No. We want to work with all over there. Yeah, this is the normal Wasabi. His brother's in this one. It's nice. Right, we're yummy. Right, we're back here. I don't know if he's second this. This is my turn. I'll definitely choose rockfish. I'll be a rockfish. You know green stuff? I like all green stuff. You know the green stuff? This is gonna make me vomit. I don't want that. I don't want that smile. I don't want it. Why? Oh, I need it. No. Okay, we're back now. Alright, what would you do? I got skip the Sabi. Because we didn't get it, Sabi. Sorry, left. Go on, go on. It's right there. Go on.
I can't
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Sorry guys, this is for the we'll be right back on the side. Okay, we're back. We just have the light on. We'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, we have an idea. So I'm just gonna hold the door when I'm doing it, and I'll hold the door when I'll finish the video. So let's see what I get. I don't want to say it! I'm insane! No, they can't! Oh, I'm gonna go to it! Why did I pause it?
Let's fucking go. No, just joking. Thank God, it's blue. It's cool. You're out of garbage.